What's up, everybody? This is recipe 2 on the Yaadi Summer series. So today I am making a potato salad, but this is a different take. It is a French style potato salad. As you guys can see, I have some baby potato here. I have corn, I have parsley, and that is basically it. You're going to need some mustard, some apple cider vinegar, but all the description will be in the description. All the ingredients will be in the description below. As you guys can see, my potatoes are washed and I'm cutting them into little quarter size, as thin as possible. So once I have cut all my potatoes, as you guys can see here, I'm going through them pretty fast, cutting them up. Then I'm going to add them to a pot of sauteed boiled water. I'm going in, cutting up my green onion and my parsley. I wanted to do something different. I love potato salad and I came across this potato salad, and this is just my take on the French style potato salad, which was definitely summery. As you guys can see, I also to create they didn't use mayonnaise, they used mustard, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and I'm just going to put all the stuff in the description that I use, because as I said, this was my take on this. So this is me creating my sauce. I have some mustard here. I had to go ahead and add my version because I didn't have all the ingredients, but this still turned out good. I had some black pepper, I had some all-purpose seasoning, mustard, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and some water, and that would make the mayonnaise paste that you're going to put over your potatoes and corn. So while my potatoes was boiling and my corn was being roasted, I put that in the air fryer. My corn, we're preparing our sauce to put over our potatoes. As you guys can see here, make sure you taste and just the first time I did it, it was a little bit bitter, so I had to add some honey. My dime size potatoes here are cooked. You don't want them to be super soft, so as soon as they get tender, you want to go ahead and take them off. Here's my corn. As I said, I did it in the air fryer, so now I'm just trimming off the kernels so I can add that to my dish. It is super hot. I don't know why I didn't wait, but I was trying to just get this all finished for dinner. And this was so good. You can have it as a side dish. We had it as a starch dish with some salmon, and it was pretty clean, healthy, and delicious. So here's my potatoes. Some of them has been break apart, but some are still holding firmly. I'm showing you guys that it's cooked. Then I'm gonna go in with some salt and black pepper. Then I'm going in with my green onion, my parsley, and my air fried corn. As I said, this is not the direct step to it. I took my own take on it, but it's pretty close to it. So this is all my ingredients here, and I'm going in with the sauce that I made. So with the French style potato salad, they don't use mayonnaise. They use a mustard base. So this is it, and I'm going to mix together all my ingredients, and I'll definitely show you guys how it's look. It is bright yellow and just adding some fun to your summer dishes. And this is it. This was so quick, simple. You won't be in the kitchen long over the stove making this in this summer heat as summer come to the end. is so pretty and definitely flavorful. So here is it in a serving container, and it's just so fun and inviting. I hope you guys try this. As I said, the ingredients will be below, and I hope you guys try this and like it. Happy summer. Here is my plating of it with the salmon and the potato salad. French style potato salad, that is. My salmon was also done in the air fryer, served along with some broccoli for a touch of veggies, and that was it. Super delicious, super yummy. Remember, guys, to like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Thank you.